Go the Dogs! We beat the Broncos at the Broncos Stadium. Broncos vs Bulldogs, and we beat the Broncos had 0 and Bulldogs had 50 points, 5-0, and we went there, and we get to open. We get to get the highlight on like the team team later, like the teams get the lower grades, and Bulldogs in the first grade, and Dragons in the second, and Broncos at the third, and Panthers at the third, and Roosters at fourth, and Broncos are fifth, and Tigers are sixth. So that's the lake. Bye.